Alright guys. Alright people, it's Mosha again. I remember one thing. Coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge. I always tell you guys this, people this. If you cannot say anything good about somebody, don't say anything. Because you're going to curse yourself. When you think you're cursing that person, you're really cursing yourself because it's a mindset that you have. They say no one is perfect, but practice makes perfect. If you practice to speak bad about people, you're cursing yourself and you're developing a spirit that one day is going to take your soul. The faceless phantom that speaks to you in your brain is going to do something to you. So speak good and bless people. Blessed love, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge, Dominican Republic. I have two beautiful people in the house. The beautiful lady, she's Dominican, but she lives in America. Tell them your name, baby.
Gira de Puerto Plata, pero vivo en Los Ángeles.
She's from Puerto Plata, but she lives in Los Angeles. So I want you to tell the people, I'm coming to her husband in a minute. I want you to tell the people, Gira, everything. You said you came the first time.
Yeah.
Tell the whole story.
Okay. I came the first time. The music was beautiful. The vibes were amazing. The energy was incredible.
Thank you.
The food, oh my God, out of this world.
What did you
waited,
yes.
The fish, the spices, incredible. The best I've ever had in my life.
That's what she said. So,
yeah.
you know, I'm going to tell you guys something. Before I go to the husband, let me finish off because I got to follow up with her statement. I tell people, listen, when you come to my place, you must be willing to wait. It's not as long as the beach. The beach, you'd have to wait an hour, depending on the amount of people. Now I pre-prep, so the wait is not as long. But you know what I love about them? They were sitting patiently waiting. And what did you say when the food came? You said it was worth it.
It was worth it. It was the most incredible food I've ever had. The spices were in there. It was, you have to wait for the spices to get in there.
Exactly.
It was worth the wait.
Thank you, Gita. And this is her husband,
Woody White.
Woody White,
the self-proclaimed seafood champ. But today I had jerk chicken.
Go closer to her.
All right, I'm moving in. I'm scooting in.
Yeah, that's good. Today you had the jerk chicken.
Yes, usually I'm the self-proclaimed seafood champ, but today we did jerk chicken.
Wow, really?
Yes.
Nice.
And this, I must say, was the best jerk chicken I've had in my entire life. Well worth the wait, but as you know, nothing comes overnight, and the best things in life take a little bit of time.
Yes.
So all you need is a little bit of patience, but it is well worth the wait. First off, though, when you're coming down the block, as soon as you about a block and a half away,
you smell it.
You smell it.
Yes.
And then after that, you don't need directions anymore. You just follow the scent.
Know, hey guys, you know what he's talking about? I run out of jerk chicken a lot. So what happened was, when they came, I was doing jerk. So I told them, when I'm doing jerk, I don't even want nobody to come and order because I know they don't want to wait. But they was willing to wait for the jerk. And the attitude, the spirit. Guys, I'm going to say this again. I cook with a vibe. I'm not a chef. I'm an artist. I didn't go to school for this. I went to NYU. I studied screenwriting. I went to FIT. I graduated from Fashion Institute. I'm a herbalist. Anything to do with illness. So the most I've given me something, and I'm sending that to people with my food. I'm putting it in my energy. So when you come into my place, don't come with New York style. Don't come with Los Angeles style. Don't come with no style except your own, and be patient. Because look, patience is a virtue you cannot afford to lose. Remember that. Practice makes perfect. You must practice perfect. That's why everybody's killing themselves. Nobody have patience. You step on somebody's toe, they want to kill you. No patience. So these people were so patient, and I appreciate them. Go ahead. I'm sorry to cut you off.
No, it's beautiful to listen. Beautiful to listen. Plus, I'm letting that wonderful food settle in.
I mean, I love their energy. You know, beautiful energy. And when the people, guys, I want to tell you something else. I don't cook for your money. Remember this. People might say, so why do you have a business? You go figure that. I don't cook for your money. I cook. When you come to taste my food, you'll realize it. I got people come here and they say, Mosha, you made my vacation. I've never had any food. I'm not bragging, guys. If you think I'm kidding, just ask around and you will see.
This man only speaks the truth.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Only the truth.
Yes.
This was the best jerk chicken that I've had in my entire life.
Yes, I like that. You know what? Go ahead.
There's only one thing.
Yes.
I wish I could have had more. But don't worry. We're here for a couple more days.
I have more.
So we coming back.
I have more.
We coming back.
I have more. And you know what? The moment they came in, I already know they were gonna be my victim, so I wasn't worried about it. And as long as they're willing to wait, like I said, their attitude is what get me. Because ask them, the fish was already marinated, right?
We saw it.
And
You
it was in
showed
the
it to us
fridge.
before
Yeah.
it was time-
And they
before you
started
cooked it.
taking photos, and she was like, "Oh my God, look at that!" You know. So guys, once again, everybody. So you can wish the people a happy New Year, whatever, guys.
Happy New Year. Happy
Come to
New Year.
Moshas.
Yes, listen to
Well,
her.
guys, I felt the energy in the food. That's very important.
That's right.
You can't eat anybody's food.
You felt the energy in the food.
I felt the energy in the food. Angry people can't make your food.
Oh my God.
Honestly, the energy is in the food.
You know what, guys? People always bring out what I always kept inside. You know that? People always say what I have inside. You hear what she says? The energy is in the food. Ask my people who work with me here. When I go in the kitchen to do anything, I am all over like an artist painting, and my spirit has to be there. So if the person's energy is not there, I'm not feeling that. So I put the love in there. I don't think about the money. The amount of stuff that goes into her food, into her fish, you'll never have no fish with all that stuff in it. You all right? So guys, thank you again.
Thank you.
And I wish you guys the best. True. I wish you guys the best. Have a beautiful holiday. And you know, what can I say? You guys are great customers.
You said it all.
Blessed love, guys.
Bless.
Mosha out. Boom shack.